Hi guys, so the bike that I ordered online, the Fortis eBike, has just arrived. So we will unpack and see how it looks. So this is the box just being delivered. It's pretty big. It's about 20-ish kilogram, bit slightly heavier than expected, but it's alright. Styrofoam cover, and there it is. That's the bike. So yeah, it's been folded. This is the seat. Put it aside first. And this is the whole bike. So I'm gonna lift it up now. So this is the whole bike in a folded form. It's pretty good. So the tire has been, it's been tested or something. It's been rided on, so I think they've been tested on, make sure it works. So I'm impressed with that. The rest are pretty well made. So the back grill has been, the mud shoe has been put in already. So well packaged, well built. Plastic cover removed. So this is the bike itself. It's not that big, to be honest. The view is 20 inches, so just about a knee height, which is pretty good. From the side, so that's the brand there, the Fortis eBike, and as you can see, this is where the battery pack will go in. This is where the lock is, so you can lock the battery with the key. Otherwise, came in with a built-in mud flap, make of plastic, and there's a fluorescent thing there. The front view, it's pretty good. Tire pressure is low, so you pump some more air. The back tire pressure is a bit low as well. And that's where the motor is. The motor's in there. We're housing the motor. With the bike out of the box, yeah, one small box here. I suspect it's gonna be a charger and a charging port, and also the toolkit. So from the first box, it's included just the battery pack itself, the Samsung lithium-ion, and the other box has a toolkit in there, a warranty card, a pedal, the bell, and the charging port, and also give you the LED lights. So this is the bike as I assembled it so far. So the first thing I did was basically flip it forward, make this one click in, pull this one across, lock it and pull this one backwards, assembling the stem, same thing for the upwards, bring this across and then lock it down, insert the set, insert the handrail, put it down, tighten it, lock it across, put down the seat, down, tighten it on the other side, and then bring the rock across. So next thing is going to be putting the battery in. So to install the battery pack, basically slide it laterally, diagonally that word, and then flip the top part so it's locked into the key. So I had inflated the tire, installed the 2 front light and 1 back light. To turn on the battery motor, basically just press this, and we came a bit half full. So it's a pedal assist mode, so it only works when the pedal is started. I can show you how it works. And just start pedal it. There you go. Let's see it works. Just pedal slightly. There you go. So that's pedal assist mode. Alright. For the bike, I think I'm pretty good. Quite happy with it. The material, some of the parts are pretty cheaply made, I would say. Like this one is plastic. I thought it'd be more like aluminium. The bike. The brake is not disc brake, just a normal shoe brake. The materials are pretty good. This I think it's just metal and painted black, matte black. Even the shield for the chain here is all made of plastic as well. The back here is made of metal. Same for the back, mud shield is made of plastic as well. But overall, the quality is pretty good for the price I paid for. Again, the pedal is plastic as well, and there is no gear come with it. But with the e-bike, I don't see any reason using the gear, because the bike will just assist you going up the hill anyway. Right, I'm gonna go for a ride and see how it goes.